Imagine a future where video editing could be as simple as just giving a few commands. Could AI be the key to unlocking this reality? Picture this. You're waist deep in the world of video editing, surrounded by a sea of footage, soundtracks, and special effects. You're painstakingly piecing together clips, matching them to the beat of the music, and adjusting color grades. It's a labor of love, no doubt, but it's also complex, time-consuming, and often overwhelming. The magic of video editing lies in its ability to transform raw footage into a captivating story. However, the behind-the-scenes process can be less enchanting. With traditional methods, it's a constant juggle between creativity and technical expertise. You're not just a storyteller, you're also a technician, a sound engineer, a colorist. And let's not forget the hours, days, sometimes weeks spent perfecting a single piece. But what if there were a simpler way? Enter artificial intelligence. AI has been making waves in various industries, and video editing is no exception. AI and video editing? Yes, you heard that right. This is not a far-fetched sci-fi concept, but a reality that's starting to take shape right before our eyes. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of spending hours tweaking settings, what if you could just instruct your AI assistant to, say, enhance the color contrast or sync the clips to the music and watch as it gets the job done in a fraction of the time? It's like having a co-editor who never tires, never complains, and can execute your vision with precision. But as enticing as it sounds, one can't help but wonder, what does this mean for the art and craft of video editing? Would AI render human editors obsolete, or would it serve as a powerful tool, augmenting their capabilities and freeing up more time for creativity? AI could revolutionize the video editing industry, but how does it compare to our current methods? As we explore this exciting frontier, it's crucial to keep this question in mind. The future awaits, and it's up to us to shape it. Before we delve into the future, let's take a moment to appreciate the past. In the realm of video editing, the past has been a testament to human creativity and perseverance. The traditional methods of video editing have served us well, enabling us to stitch together narratives that inspire, educate, and entertain. In the early days, video editing was a hands-on process that involved physically cutting and pasting film strips. Fast forward to the digital age, and we found ourselves in the world of non-linear editing systems, where video clips could be arranged, trimmed, and enhanced on a computer. Tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Avid Media Composer became the staples of every video editor's toolkit. Video editing has always been a skill-intensive job. It requires a keen eye for detail, a solid understanding of storytelling, and the technical know-how to operate complex software. Not to mention the countless hours spent on reviewing footage, making precise cuts, adjusting colors, adding effects, syncing audio, and so much more. Yet, despite our best efforts, the process of video editing has always been fraught with challenges. The painstaking attention to detail often leads to long, laborious hours in front of the computer screen. The complexity of the editing software can be overwhelming for beginners. And the iterative nature of the editing process means that editors often have to go back and forth making adjustments until they achieve the desired result. Moreover, traditional video editing is not just about assembling clips in a timeline. It's also about managing large volumes of data, maintaining the consistency of visual style, and ensuring the seamless transition between scenes. These tasks can be incredibly time-consuming, and they place significant demands on the editor's cognitive and creative resources. So where does that leave us? Well, as the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. In this case, the need to streamline the video editing process and alleviate the challenges faced by editors could potentially pave the way for new solutions. Manual video editing is indeed laborious. Could AI be the solution to these challenges? AI, or artificial intelligence, is not a stranger to us. But how does it fit into the world of video editing? Let's dive into this technological marvel's role in the realm of video creation. In the past few years, we've seen a surge in AI-driven video editing tools. These tools leverage AI's immense computational power to simplify and speed up the editing process. With the use of AI algorithms, these tools can automatically recognize and categorize footage, detect and follow objects, and even make color corrections, allowing for a more streamlined editing workflow. Take, for instance, AI-powered software like Adobe Sensei. It uses machine learning to automate mundane tasks such as object tagging and frame cropping. It can even suggest edits based on the style of previous videos you've made. Similarly, tech giant IBM's AI tool, Watson, can analyze a script and accordingly suggest the best shots to include in a video. Not only does AI help in automating tasks, but it also aids in creativity. AI algorithms can generate animations, add special effects, or even create an entirely new video from scratch. By learning from a vast library of video content, AI can create unique edits that would take a human editor hours, if not days, to achieve. But it's not just about efficiency and speed. AI in video editing also opens up possibilities for increased accessibility. Tools like Microsoft's Video Indexer can automatically generate transcripts and captions, making content more accessible to a wider audience. Even though AI is making waves in the video editing industry, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. It's there to enhance the human creativity, not replace it. AI can handle the tedious tasks, leaving the creative decisions to the human editor. AI seems to offer a promising solution, but how does it really compare to traditional methods? This question is something we'll delve into in our next segment as we put AI and traditional video editing head to head. Stay tuned to find out more. Let's pit man against machine. How do traditional and AI-powered video editing stack up against each other? Traditional video editing has been around for quite some time, and it has its perks. It offers a high level of control and precision. Editors can frame by frame, carefully crafting their narrative, controlling every transition, every cut, every color grade. This method may be time-consuming, but it ensures a unique touch, a human element that is hard to replicate. On the flip side, AI-powered video editing is the new kid on the block, promising to revolutionize the industry. It's fast, efficient, and tireless. AI can analyze hours of footage in minutes, identifying key moments and patterns. It can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for editors to focus on the creative aspects. With machine learning, it can even learn from past edits, improving over time. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with AI. One of the significant challenges is that AI, at least for now, lacks the human touch. It might struggle to understand the subtleties of storytelling, the emotional nuances that a human editor can intuitively grasp. This could result in videos that feel a bit mechanical, lacking the warmth and personality that come with traditional editing. Another potential limitation is the issue of control. With AI, you're entrusting a machine with a significant portion of the creative process. Sure, it's fast and efficient, but can it truly understand your vision? Can it capture the essence of your story the way you want it to? And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. As AI becomes more prevalent, it raises questions about job security for traditional editors. While AI can undoubtedly assist and streamline the process, should it replace human editors entirely? While AI holds a lot of promise, it's clear that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The future will likely see a blend of both, where AI assists human editors, making the process more efficient, but not taking the reins completely. After all, at the heart of every great video is a great storyteller. So, what does the future hold for video editing? Well, friends, if we gaze into the crystal ball of technology, we see a landscape where artificial intelligence is shaping the terrain. As we move forward, AI-powered video editing is set to become not just a tool, but the artist itself. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist, but takes charge of the entire editing process. From color correction to audio enhancement, from scene transitions to special effects, AI could potentially handle it all. This isn't just speculation, but a reality that's steadily unfolding. Cutting-edge technologies are already enabling AI to learn from human editors, mimicking their style and applying it independently. It's like having a personal assistant who not only knows your preferences, but can execute them flawlessly. But what does this mean for the video editing industry and video editors? On one hand, it could lead to increased efficiency. With AI handling the manual, time-consuming tasks, editors can focus on the more creative aspects of their work. It could mean less time spent on tedious tasks and more time for storytelling and creative expression. On the other hand, there's the question of job security. Will AI render human editors obsolete? That's a concern that's been voiced often. However, it's essential to remember that while AI can mimic and automate, it doesn't possess the human touch. The nuances of emotion, the understanding of context, and the spark of creativity are elements that are uniquely human. So, while AI may take on a larger role in video editing, it's unlikely to replace the human editor entirely. Instead, we can expect a future where AI and humans work in harmony, each bringing their strengths to the table. The role of the editor might change, but it won't disappear. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more insight on how AI is changing our world.